Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely beautiful Harley-Davidson FLSS Softail Slim S. Here we have a Harley-Davidson FLSS Softail Slim S. This is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate with just 9,010 miles, 3 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in stunning condition and comes with a host of added features, including, well, let's start with the big elephant in the room, shall we? The Sream'in Eagle 110 twin cam engine. That's a pretty big one. Obviously you've got the Sream'in Eagle air filter there as well. Vance Hines Compseries 2-in-1 exhaust, which sounds absolutely phenomenal. The white wall tyres, and it is finished in this very, very nice Olive Gold Denim paint. Absolute thing of beauty. Wire wheels there with those white walls, all absolutely pristine. The rear tyre, loads of life left in that one, plenty of tread on there. Single seat, of course, and then the paintwork on that tank, absolutely superb with that US military style design. The bar ends, the levers and the mirrors are all in excellent condition. There's no damage on this bike anywhere at all. You've got the engine bars there as well with the Harley-Davidson footboards, all absolutely unmarked. The exhaust wrap around the Vance Hines just add into that sort of classic look, if you like. There's that front white wall and the front wheel, all absolutely pristine, as is the front forks. And the front mudguard, there's no stone chips, no damage there at all in that beautiful Olive Gold Denim paint. And the front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. There's no corrosion on the spokes, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches on the wheels. There's no stone chips on the front there of the bike, as you can see. And the front forks are in fantastic condition. No stone chips to the headlamp. The left hand side of the bike, well, that is also a thing of beauty. No damage to the mirror, bar end or the lever there at all. All the paintwork in excellent condition. As I said, absolutely no corrosion, not a spot of corrosion on this bike anywhere. It's an absolute beauty. And these are, I have to say, a bit of a collector's item now, the Softail Slim S, particularly with that big motor. No marks on the engine bars, all the footboard there. Heel and toe changer, all absolutely in superb condition, as are the engine cases. No corrosion anywhere on the engine, on the fins or anything like that. Absolutely stunning by this. I really like this one. You've got the side mount number plate as well, and all your belt and everything in excellent condition, as is the swing arm. No rips or tears in the seat. You've got the tank strap there as well. Of course, you've got cruise control. I think those bars are called the beach bars. I might be wrong. Harley-Davidson aficionado will tell me otherwise, I'm sure, in the comments. There's your cruise control. As I said, Harley-Davidson alarm immobiliser as well. An absolute thing of beauty. If you are looking for a real statement piece, you like your Harley-Davidsons, look no further than this stunning Softail Slim S. The Vance Hines Compseries exhaust on this bike sounds absolutely unbelievable. Let's fire it up and have a listen. Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning Harley-Davidson, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We're delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.